everyone. So today I'm going to be opening up this box, which I'm so excited about. It contains Jeffree Star's new Morphe palette. Open it up now. I'm so excited. As I said, like, I don't know if I said it on my I said it on a video or something, I can't remember, that I was looking more forward to this palette than I was the Jawbreaker palette. Did not like the Jawbreaker palette. I don't know, there was just something that was hard to work with about it. This one, I feel like the colours are more my kind of thing. I think there's a black in here as well. That is the colour that I absolutely missed in the Jawbreaker palette. I just don't understand why there was no black. Like, why would you not have black in a Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette? I don't know. But here it is. Look at this bad boy. That is absolutely beautiful. It's just gorgeous. There he is on the back. Yeah, I am excited. But I'm nervous at the same time. I don't want it to suck. I don't want it to suck. I don't think it will. But I don't know why, but like opening this, it reminds me of like K-pop packaging. Like, I don't know, it feels like I'm opening a New East CD or something. But yeah, got the shininess, and then it's neon pink on the back. Are we ready to look at the eyeshadows? Ooh, that's a lot prettier than the Jawbreaker palette. I don't care what anyone says. That's gorgeous. There's so many things in here that I can use, like actually use. There is a black. There's a black in here. I'm sold. There's a couple of, well, this one is definitely a pressed glitter. A little bit nervous about that one. But there's a lot of shimmers. There's a lot of like matte looking ones. Oh my goodness. That's incredible. I'm gonna swatch the gold on. Wow. That's actually insane. Like, that's insane for a pressed glitter. I don't know if you can see it properly on there, but for a pressed glitter, that is incredible. That's insane. What other colours should I swatch? I will definitely be using this one a lot, the kind of highlight colour. The goldy champagne colour. Oh my goodness. I am so much more excited about this than the Jawbreaker palette. These colours are beautiful. And they're so pigmented. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this already. I cannot wait to do some looks involving black. Maybe this green, because it actually does match these dreads like really well. But yeah, I cannot wait to use this. This is going to be my baby, I feel. There's so many beautiful pinks. There's enough like neutrals to do like a neutral eye. There's an orange, which is the like one colour that I really liked out of the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I love that orange that was in there. I can't really swatch it because I've literally got other things on every finger, but yes, I'm a fan of that. It's not quite as shimmery as the one in the Jawbreaker palette, but it's super pigmented, and I feel like this is going to blend beautifully. So yeah, that is my first opinions on the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. I'm excited to use it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to have to turn off the camera with this very glittery finger. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you all again very soon. Adios. I've got eyeshadow everywhere.